Designing and building a complete EFI wiring harness can be an immensely rewarding process for any automotive enthusiast. Perhaps you own a performance workshop and you'd like to bring the wiring side of your workflow in-house to get more control over the process. Or you're an enthusiast wanting to understand more of how an EFI system is wired and construct your own wiring harnesses with the confidence in a successful outcome. Either way, HPA's Wiring Fundamentals is the perfect course to get you up to speed. The automotive wiring harness industry can be a fairly closed place with a lot of secrecy around the correct techniques and procedures. Researching these techniques often leads to a lot of conflicting information or incomplete procedures that miss out a crucial piece of the process. In addition to this, the materials we use can be very expensive, meaning any mistakes can end up being very costly. Our Wiring Fundamentals course removes the confusion and gives you the information you'll need to get the job done right without overlooking any critical connections. We present you with the knowledge and techniques that we have personally used over our automotive careers to build countless EFI wiring harnesses, from budget-orientated club day track cars to top-tier single-seat races. You'll learn about the component parts of an EFI wiring harness, the materials and tools we use to build a harness, and the order in which we undertake the process to ensure a great result. You'll learn how to perform a correct and reliable wire splice, when the use of solder is acceptable, and how to crimp a closed barrel terminal, an open barrel terminal, and an open barrel terminal with an integrated wire seal. You'll learn how to design a power supply and grounding scheme that will protect the EFI system components from damage and ensure you don't end up chasing your tail following electrical gremlins that can cost time and money when the vehicle is being tuned. The material in this course covers the fundamental concepts of EFI wiring harness construction. These concepts aren't specific to any particular make or model of vehicle or engine and will be equally relevant to a Borden-stroked LS series engine as they are to a turbocharged SR20. Regardless of what your specific project is, the concepts taught in this course will be 100% applicable. We know that once you've completed this course, you will be hungry for even more knowledge, and this is where our online support community comes in. Each course sale will give you 3 months access to our private online forums, and this is the perfect place to get fast and accurate answers to your specific EFI wiring harness design and construction questions. You'll also be able to browse our huge library of online webinars, each tackling a specific topic on EFI wiring, tuning, and engine building. We run a new webinar event every week, and if you're able to attend live, you can ask questions on the topic and have them answered in real time. We know that purchasing online education can be tricky. What if this course isn't right for you, or you already know all the information presented? We're sure you are going to love the course, and we want you to be able to purchase with confidence. That's why we offer a 60-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee. If you purchase the course and decide for any reason that it's not right for you, let us know and we will give you a full refund of the purchase price. This Wiring Fundamentals course is a theory-based course, and while there are several real-world demonstrations included, it doesn't cover a step-by-step approach to designing and constructing an EFI wiring harness from scratch. This course does cover the core knowledge and techniques necessary for anyone wanting to move into the field of EFI wiring harness design and construction. So whether you're an enthusiast or professional, this course is the perfect way to fast-track your EFI wiring harness knowledge, while giving you the confidence and the techniques you'll need to master to construct professional and reliable EFI wiring harnesses. So what are you waiting for? Click the Purchase Now button to get started and begin learning immediately.